In relation dyan, Secretary, ano lang status ng mga high-profile fugitives natin? Halimbawa, si Atong Ang,
Well,
si
kanina,
Bantag,
si Atong, muntik na namin corner. Nag-operations kami kanina kasi may eyeball sighting sa kanya. Pero we were a day too late. Hindi namin na abutan. But meron kami actual eyeball report na nakita siya rito.
In the country, sir?
Hindi na namin nakita.
In the country?
In the country. In fact, that was part of the operation. We started at 5 in the morning. Hindi talaga namin abutan. But he was there. So, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang efforts namin para hanapin siya na.
So at this point, you believe that Atong Ang is in the Philippines?
Well, since that eyeball report, alam ni Ronald yan basta eyeball report, even actual eyes seen nakita talaga ng tao. Nando doon.
Pag eyeball, actionable yun.
So, we tend to believe that more. Actionable na yan basta ganyan.
Kasi may chismis na nag-Cambodia siya tapos Vietnam. There you
Yes.
go.
Ang daming misinformation na lumalabas Pero the one you believe the most is the eyeball reports. Nakita talaga, they swear by it. So, pinuntahan kagad namin. Pero yung mga ganyan kasi, pinagpaplanuhan yan You cannot come in hot na basta-basta. With a person like Atong, marami masasaktan. So, a task force was set up na ang action nila is quicker, swifter, and more ready. Kasi, alam mo, ako, masama loob ko, sabihin na sasaktan rin na polis So, I'd rather come in prepared, come in heavy, come in ready na para magawa namin yung mission namin.
Which area was this, Secretary, in the Philippines?
I'd rather not disclose it. But it did occur early this morning at 5 o'clock.
So, sir, when you say na any operation against Atong Ang, malamang may mga masasaktan, I suppose by that you're implying na he's surrounded by very well-armed people who are going to resist.
Two things, He killed at the minimum 100 sabongeros, diba? And he did earn 1 billion a day for 2 years. So he has all the money, the resources, and the capacity to inflict harm. So we will assume that he is capable.